If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on this coordinate geometry basic level. So today we will be seeing how to check whether a point which is lying on the either side of the straight line, on which side they are lying, how to check this line, or this is also known as how to interpret the sign of the ax plus by plus c expression. Okay, then let's see this. So how to check whether a point lies on which region? Which region means a straight line, which side of the straight line. A straight line divides a segment into two different regions. One is this side, one is this side. Where the origin is there, that is known as origin side, and where origin is not there, then it is known as non-origin side. Or it is, this article is also known as what are the effect of sign of ax plus by plus c. Because the original equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If you put any point, it becomes 0, then it is on the line. If you put it, if it is not 0, then it is not on the line. If it is not 0, then it can be greater than 0, it can be less than 0. So depending on that, it becomes on which side it is. So if you see, the line divides plane into two regions. The region where origin lies, that is origin. Where origin doesn't lie, suppose here this one is origin side, this becomes a non-origin side. It can be reversed also. Suppose this is my line, then this side is origin side, this will be origin side, this will be non-origin side, and this is origin side. Suppose you have 2 points now, P x1, y1 and P2, 2 points are given along with the equation. This line is also given too. So you put it here, ax plus by plus c. If it is equal to 0, then it is on the line, both the point are on the line. If it is not 0, then one will give you either positive or negative. If you put it here, one will be greater than 0, one will be less than 0, or both will be greater than, or both will be less than. So there are two things can happen. Either it will be greater than 0 or less than 0, because equal to means it is on the line. If it is not equal to, then there are two things happen. If both are giving same sign, that is means if both are giving positive, then both are on same side. Or if both are giving negative, then both are also on same side. If one give positive, one give negative, then they are in different sides. Which side you don't know, that you will think later. Here they are saying if it is equal, if both are giving positive, then they are in same side. If both are giving negative also, then also they are in same side. If one positive, one negative, then they are in opposite sides. Now there, which side it is, you check with origin. You put origin here. So if you put origin here, what is origin? 0, 0. If I put origin here, what will be left? If I put 0, 0, so 0 plus c. So ultimately that means the sign of c. If c is positive, and if you put a point which is also positive, that means it is on the origin side. Because you put origin, it became positive, and you put another point that is also positive, so both are same side, that means they are in origin side. So the sign of ax1 plus by1, suppose I am putting p1 only, is same as the sign of c. Why it is c? Because if I put origin, nothing is left, only c is there. So sign of c means that indicates origin, that's it. Then the point p1 is in the origin side. You are getting it? Suppose if I point a point, any point, and if I got positive, and if I put origin also, then also it is positive. Origin means only c, because everything will go. So that means if c is positive and you put the point, you also get positive. That means both are in same side, that is in origin side, because it is with the same sign. When we put origin, it also gives positive. When we put p, that also it is giving positive. That means they are in same side. Same thing for negative. If I put also origin, then it's give negative. If I put the point also, that also give negative. That means they are in same side. So if it is of same sign of c, then they are in origin side. If they are not same sign of c, then there is opposite side. And why sign of c? Because sign of c indicates origin. Sign of c is nothing but you are checking with origin. So if you are checking with origin, you are checking with point. 2 point, 1 point is p1 and 1 point is sign of c means 0, 0. If both are of same, then they are in origin side, where this point is there. If they are not same, then there is an opposite side. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.